5 easy steps of how to tame birds. Number 1. Keep the cage open a bit and try putting your hand a bit close right here on one of its perches. Keep on putting it closer every day. But this is the maximum, so else the bird might bite you. Next step, say if I put it too close to him, she does not like it. So try not to put it too close. Try putting it here max. Then go to your tamed bird and make sure your tamed bird is nice to this bird, the new bird. Try putting your whole hand in the cage, in the perch. If it does not like it, remove it. Then try adding. Then when your bird is comfortable, and just looking at your hand. When you remove your hand, he will get angry. So try keeping your hand for a longer sort of time. He'll look at it. Slowly, when you can, remove your hand. But if he does not like it, put your hand back on the perch, because they like to see you for a longer period of time. If you remove your hand, they might peck on the perch. Next, when they're comfortable with you, you can grab him. Hi. Hello, good bird. Hello, good birdie. Hello, good birdie. Those are the steps of how to tame a bird. See you next time.